Hello, Mark here with another Can-Am Ryker video. Today I'm riding with my friends Omar and Pete through the beautiful back countryside. We almost make the mistake of opening it up past a cop. I hope you enjoy the ride. Alright guys, let's get this ride started here. I'm going to start off by leading the group and we're going to make our way towards the mountain. We're in the city right now, towards the tail end of the city, and as we get through the mountain here, I'm going to let these guys take over so you can see their beautiful bikes. We're going to take a right over here, and a little bit of a bumpy road, but very, very cool. I love the bridge right here. Let's crack this baby open. See if the boys are still behind me. I got to make my way down one of these dirt roads one of these days. Even the city area right here is pretty nice. They just got to fix these roads. Like every other road I've been taking yous on, it's been pretty bad lately. We're going to be passing Rob's Pub and Grub up here, and this place is located in Larksville. Pretty good food, pretty good pizza and wings, and their strombolis are pretty decent. Let's hook a left over here. There's good old Pete. He's riding a 2003 Suzuki SV650S. Pete ended up buying the motorcycle from me so I can put a deposit on the Can-Am Ryker here, and I was the first owner of the Suzuki SV650S back in 2003, and I got one of the first ones off the production line, and I rode that bike for pretty much 15 years. An amazing machine, super fast, can do well over 160 miles an hour, and just tons of power. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss the bike. There he is behind me here, I could see him in the mirror. Still running well. Still pretty low miles on it, just around 11,000 I believe. I was swapping off between the Suzuki and a few street and trail bikes. I've been on two wheels forever, and this is my first three-wheeler here. Loving the power on the mountain. No regrets going on three wheels though, guys. Definitely loving the Ryker here. As you can see, no problem handling these mountain roads. Tons and tons of power. I have it in normal mode too. This thing's not even in sport mode. I did my audio a little different today, so it should be a little more clearer for you, and hopefully it made a big difference. One thing you do got to watch out though is for the deer. You never know when they're going to cross your path. I don't know what this stuff is in the road. People always throwing stuff out their windows. Look at this corner over here. Church on the right. Love this corner. Watch this. Nothing but power. We're going to make our way towards the stream side. I'm going to take a left once we get up to this stop sign over here. I got to check to see if the boys are still behind me. I'm going to pull off so you can see their motorcycles.
Isn't this the road where you go straight, it goes back out the creek road?
Nah, this way. Good old Pete right behind me there on the orange Suzuki. It's an 03. I took very good care of it. The thing still runs like new. Awesome motorcycle. Pete did some touch-up work on the paint and fixed a couple little minor mechanical problems, but nothing major. Thing's still running awesome. I told him, I said, if you sell that bike, I want first crack at it. I don't know what it is. I always had a love for that machine. I love the twisties back here. The more I could stay out of the city, the better. I actually had two people enter my lane the other day, and they were halfway over into the yellow line riding through the city, and guess what? On their cell phones. Not paying any attention. Had to lay on the horn, get them back into their lanes. I'm going to take a left over here, pull over at the stream, and you can take a good look at their motorcycles. Take it nice and easy. As you can see, everything's not melted yet. There's Omar.
How's the story coming, buddy?
What's going on?
He went that way. He brought another pair of gloves. He was like, "You need another pair of gloves?" I was like, "Damn, good." Yeah.
Beautiful bikes here. Of course, you know my black Can-Am Ryker Rally. Got Pete's orange Suzuki SV650S there, and Omar's Duke. All really nice machines. A lot of fun.
I like the bike. I just had to make a couple changes with shit, you know, like that. Like these had to go lower, because I ride sitting up all the time, and when I was sitting up, it was like this. I was pulling straight in.
Yeah.
I put them down so that I could pull up.
Oh, okay.
And then it doesn't make my wrist go numb.
Couple nice bikes going by here. Alright, time to get out of here, guys. Everybody loves riding these back roads. You can't blame them. Motorcycle heaven back here. Except the cops are always on this street. Gotta really watch out. Another one of these nice corners. Ah, speak of the devil, there he is. Always watching the back roads, gotta behave ourselves. I was just about to crack it there too. Speed limit's only 35. I wanted to hit it, I really did. Ruining my fun. Well, I know he's back there, so I'm gonna crack it here. Hopefully he doesn't have a friend. I love the stream on the left-hand side here. I think the speed limit should be a little bit higher, but I don't know. I always say that everywhere I go. I just like to move. I can't wait till we get some leaves on the trees here. You got to see this ride in the fall, though. Absolutely beautiful when the leaves are changing colors and everything. Gonna have to definitely do a summer and fall ride for you. Like I said, hopefully the audio's a little better. I'm using the camera to record the motorcycle audio today, and I'm using my cell phone with an external mic attached to it, and I'm recording the motorcycle audio, or I'm sorry, I'm recording my voice audio with my cell phone. Let's pull in over here to take a little break. Boys want some ice cream.
I was gonna crack it around that corner, and that cop was sitting right there. I was like, oh shit.
They're always there.
I thought about it and I didn't do it. I'm glad I didn't, because I saw that. See, that bike, I'd be sitting on the back seat. I'd be sitting on your wife's seat. My legs are too long.
Oh, they go forward.
Do they really?
Yeah, they're all the way forward.
Oh, no shit.
Pete's a lot taller than he looks there, and he was thinking I only have my pegs on position 2. I think I'm going to move him up to 3 though and see how that works out in my next couple rides here. He got real long legs, and I still got 3, 4, and 5 on the adjustment setting, so they'll definitely fit him. They fit my wife, and she's only 4'8", so very adjustable foot pegs. Even the handlebars move pretty well. Back into the city here. Another biker heading up to the mountain area there. Gonna see a lot of bikes, especially when it starts getting warmer. Another good place on the right over here, Stokey's Barbecue. Real good barbecue sandwiches. A little on the expensive side, but food's pretty good, so you get what you pay for. Another bike. Hello. Keep 2 on the road, my friend. Anyway, there goes Pete, guys. We're going to end our ride here today, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and like always, guys, please subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.